Over the past years, I have always wanted to travel and capture the unseen. These feelings can be described in words though, but everything comes with a price. To capture these rightful moments, one should have proper camera gears. For me, 2021 was all about learning and growing. Everything was amazing until 2022. It was perfect time to show what I have learned. So I decided in 2022, the new year, that I had to work hard and buy the best camera and editing machine for travel. After that, it was time to travel. From taking on new challenges to exploring new places and to making progress towards my goal, 2022 has been a year of growth and discovery for me. It's amazing to look back and see all that I have accomplished and experienced in just 1 year. I feel grateful for everything that came my way in 2022, and I am excited for what more to come.